If you are 65 or older, I have genuinely good news for you today. And I mean that, not a warning, not a scam alert, actual free money. There is a brand new tax deduction worth up to $6,000 per person, $12,000 if you are married, and millions of seniors are going to miss it simply because they do not know it exists. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you exactly who qualifies, how much you could save, and the one line on your tax form most people miss completely. This new tax break is officially called the Enhanced Deduction for Seniors. It came from a piece of legislation passed in 2025, often nicknamed the One Big Beautiful Bill. If you are 65 or older, you can deduct an additional $6,000 from your taxable income. If you are married and both spouses are 65 or older, that doubles to $12,000. This is the detail that confuses people most. Be very clear. And here is the part that trips a lot of people up. This is not instead of your existing senior deduction. It is in addition to it. You already get an extra standard deduction just for being a senior. For single filers, the deduction starts phasing out once your modified adjusted gross income goes above $75,000. For married couples filing jointly, that threshold is $150,000. Third, and this surprises a lot of couples, if you are married but filing separately, you do not qualify for this deduction at all, even if you are 65 or older. Fourth, this deduction is temporary. It is available for tax years 2025 through 2028. So this is very much a use it while it lasts opportunity. According to the Council of Economic Advisors, this new deduction gives the average qualifying senior about $670 in extra after-tax income. Let's talk real numbers, because that is what actually matters. Here is a real example. Say you are 72, filing as a single individual, with an income of $70,000. Your standard senior deduction adds up with this new $6,000 deduction to a total of $23,750 in deductions. That brings your taxable income down to $46,250. For a married couple where both spouses are 65 or older, you could be looking at total deductions as high as $46,700, depending on your specific situation. And here is a bonus most people do not realize. Because this deduction lowers your overall taxable income, it can also indirectly reduce how much of your Social Security benefit gets taxed. Here is exactly where to find this deduction on your tax return, because a lot of people are missing it simply because they do not know where to look. It is located on a form called Schedule 1A under a section titled Enhanced Deduction for Seniors. If you use tax software like TurboTax or H&R Block, it should ask you your birth date and automatically calculate this for you. But it is always smart to double-check that line yourself before you file. If someone else prepares your taxes, whether that is a paid preparer or a family member, specifically ask them, did you include the new $6,000 senior deduction? And if you want free help, AARP Foundation Tax Aid offers completely free tax assistance to seniors. Make sure you take advantage of this opportunity before it's too late.